Welcome back, guys. अब हम करेंगे practical electricity question one paper 25054. These past papers are out. आप इनको खरीद सकते हो. It's a very easy process. आप मुझे बस मेरे Instagram पे जाके ना मैसेज कर दें, which is inscribe1. आप मुझे मैसेज करेंगे and the parcel will be delivered to your house in 4 5 days. Yeah. तो आप इनको खरीद सकते हो. P1 and P2 are both available and you can simultaneously solve the past papers with me. So that's a plus point. आगे चलते हैं. Question 1. Figure 8.1 shows a circuit containing 230 volts AC supply connected to a television and two lamps. Two lamps है, एक television है. और ये जो दो lamps है 40 watts each है and they are connected in parallel and there is a television. In normal operation, both switches are closed. The power supply to each lamp is 40 watts and the power supply to the television is 120 watts. So आगे चलते हैं. Calculate in normal operation the total number of kilowatts of energy supplied to the circuit in 1 hour. So let's see. So as we all know, power is equals to energy divided by time, right? Energy divided by time is power. So power into time will be equals to energy, right? तो हमारे पास पावर कितनी है? पावर हमारे पास है 120 plus 40 plus 40. We have power 120 plus 40 plus 40. That will equal to 200 watts of power. But we have to calculate it in kilowatts, right? Kilowatts में निकालने, kilowatts hour निकालने हमने. So we will divide this 200 divided by 1000. That will be equal to 0.2. 0.2 kilowatts into hour. कितनी देर चला है? Energy supply to the circuit in 1 hour. In 1 hour चला है. And since the units are kilowatt hour, so we will just multiply it by 1 and we will get the answer 0.2 kilowatts hour. Very simple question. आगे चलते हैं. The current in each lamp will be it will be calculated using the formula P is equals to VI. हमारे पास पावर है ना each lamp की 40 and as we know कि जो voltage होती है in parallel it stays the same across a parallel configuration. यहाँ भी 230 volts होगी और यहाँ भी 230 volts होगी. अगर यहाँ से 230 volts आ रही है, so it will be 230 volts here and 230 volts here. So 40 will be equals to V is equals to 230 into I. So 40 divided by 230 will be equals to 0.174. 0.174 amperes will be the current in each lamp. So let's see if that is correct. 0.17. So yeah. Part B. Explain why the switches are placed in the live wire and not the neutral wire. So switches are always placed in the live wire because it is safer. When you turn off the switch, it stops the electricity from going inside the device. जब आप switch open कर देते हो, it will stop the electricity from going inside the device. इस तरीके से the device does not have any electricity in it, so you don't get shock, right? और अगर यही चीज न्यूट्रल वायर में होती that would not be the same, right? If the switch was in the neutral wire, the device could still have the electricity जब ये स्विच ऑफ भी हो. मतलब अगर इसका स्विच ओपन भी हो तब भी इसके अंदर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी रन कर सकती है एंड दैट कुड बी डेंजरस. Putting the switch in the live wire keeps the things safer by making sure that the device really turn off. यहाँ भी लिखा है switches are put inside the live wire as it is safer. When you turn turn off the switch, it stops the electricity from going into the television. Therefore, even if the wires are damaged, like here, and the electricity is flowing through the metallic part, you can turn off the switch and isolate the device. समझ आ गई? So I think this is the answer. आगे देखते हैं। स्टेट वन एडवांटेज ऑफ कनेक्टिंग टू लैम्प्स इन पैरेलल इन दिस सर्किट। अच्छा, पैरेलल में लैंप्स का क्या फायदा होता है? पैरेलल में लैंप्स का ये फायदा होता है कि अगर एक लैंप खराब हो जाए, सो द अदर वंस कैन स्टिल वर्क परफेक्टली, राइट? आपके घर जो है, आपके घर में पैरेलल सर्किट लगे होते हैं बिकॉज, क्योंकि अगर एक चीज फेल हो जाए देन द अदर वंस कैन वर्क एज वेल, राइट? सो दैट इज वेरी कन्वीनियंट। तो देख लेते हैं, इफ वन लैम्प फेल्स द अदर स्टिल वर्क। ठीक है ना? आपके घरों में भी यही लगे होते हैं। सो ऑलवेज पैरेलल पैरेलल कॉन्फ़िगरेशन लगी होती है आपके घरों में। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट supplies a steady chain of what do you call it, electricity, right? क्योंकि अगर आपके जो सेल्स हैं, those are connected in parallel, वो सेल्स की वोल्टेज जो होती है ना, वो ऐड नहीं होती है। वो वोल्टेज ऐड नहीं होती, बट उसका जो टाइम पीरियड होता है जिसमें से वोल्टेज ने खत्म होना है, दैट इंक्रीजेस एक्सपोनेंशियली। So that is another, what do you call it, advantage, but it will not be applicable in this situation. So that is going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. Allah Hafiz.